All right, welcome back to Parks and Pizza, everybody. So my wife wanted a gluten-free pizza, and I picked this one. It's by the company called Feel Good. It's Detroit style, gluten-free. So I'm actually kind of excited to test this out. Here's the front of the box. Here's the back of the box, and it says Detroit style 4-cheese pizza with mozzarella, Asiago, Romano, and Parmesan cheese. The box looks good. Let's see what the pizza looks like before we bake it. Here it is. Still frozen with the box. Alright, here it is. It's done. 7 minutes. And it smells good. It looks gluten-free. It didn't really rise up as much as I wanted it to, but that's about it. We'll see what it tastes like. Alright, guys, here it is. I'm going to present it from each side. This is going to be the front. That's the side that I cut it. Alright, here we go. Gluten-free Detroit style pizza by Feel Good. Gluten-free. I think all their pizzas are gluten-free. All their pizzas that they make are gluten-free. So it's a Feel Good pizza. That's the slice. That's the open side. I cut it from here. That's what it looks like. Be the front of the slice. Be the crust side. That's the corner. It's the top. The bottom. Looks good. And it's gluten-free, all right? Gluten-free pizza. I don't eat gluten-free because I don't have to, but my wife eats gluten-free because I guess she doesn't handle it very well. If you're not gluten-free, if you handle gluten, just buy regular pizza. It's 10 times better. It doesn't even compare to the real thing. But if you are gluten-free, then this is something that, can satisfy your cravings. Is it horrible? No, it's not. And you gotta realize it is frozen. So on a frozen scale pizza, on a regular, if this was regular pizza, 1 to 10, this would be a 5, okay? Maybe even a 6, because the more I eat it, the more I don't mind it. So maybe a 6, which is good for a gluten-free, right? The sauce is good, cheese is all right. I'm going to say 6. Like this was regular frozen pizza. But since it's gluten-free, and I'm eating it, and I'm enjoying it the more I eat it, this is good. I can't judge it as a gluten-free pizza because I don't eat gluten-free. So I'm going to judge it as a regular pizza. But if you're gluten-free and you want to try this Detroit style pizza, this is the way to go. It's going to satisfy your cravings. That's all I got for you. See you guys in the next video. Bye.